Alright, so we're at the fries claw machine, and there's some gettable stuff in here, so let's see if we can win a high school zombie or a Happi Bird, maybe. I got $1. 2 credits. Let's go for a high school zombie. Let's go for this girl. For some reason, I don't have any boy zombies, so I need to get some. All I have is the girl ones. I want a cool one like that. Get it by the loop. Oh, it's kinda in a weird position. A little bit dug in. Maybe I can get that skull too. Let's try that right there. Oh, that's really good. Come on. No. Wow. What? Another $1, I guess. Okay. Spin the claws. Maybe I can win a Happi Bird too. Oh, man. Alright, I'm not gonna go for her anymore. Come on, ooh, it clamped. Yes. Oh, that was so close. Let's try another one. I think I can get him. We'll see. Hopefully it spins the right way. Dang it, stupid Happi Bird. No, okay. Alright, I just gotta make sure it doesn't hit that Happi Bird now. Perfect. That's definitely got it. Oh, man. Hit his hand. Alright. Definitely getting him. Okay, I can't let it hit the Happi Bird or the dog. There we go. Perfect. That should have it. Yes. Oh, by the shirt. By the hand. Yeah. Oh, come on. Look at him. Oh, no. Wow. Hope I can still get him. I gotta hook him somehow. There we go. Come on. Hook that tag or something. Yes. Get him in. Oh, sweet. By the tag. That was a weird, like, tag grab. Nice. Alright. So, I finally got him out of the way. My first boy high school zombie. Let's go for another one. I'm thinking of trying for these Happi Birds, but they look too hard. I'll go for this one over here. Alright. Let's see. No, it's never gonna rip it. Yeah. Too hard. They need to be like in upper position. Maybe this red one. The red one and the purple one are like the hardest ones. No. Hit her ponytail. Oh, wait. Oh. 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 The coolest plush toy ever. Come on, dollies. Oh, yes, by the loop. No. Okay, I'm getting it now. Maybe I should go for its head. Or hook it by that loop. Wow. Nope. Yeah. Okay. Well, that was such a fail. Let's go for the dolly and then I think we'll be done. What's the Happi Birds getting on? I'm gonna go for this dolly. I want it so badly. Come on, little dolly. I want you, little dolly. Yes, got you. Oh, come on. Little dolly. I could murder this dolly. Gotta get the two girls. Just gotta do like a perfect clamp on it. Come on. Please clamp it. There we go. Maybe. Yes, got her. Stay. No! Oh, barely. She's slipping. Nice. Got 2 high school zombies. Actually, I want this dolly so badly. Oh my gosh. I want it. Come on, give me that dolly. Give me that dolly. Oh. Alright, if I get this, I'm gonna have to like kill myself. Oh shoot. Oh, maybe. Oh. I'm going for it again. Red Happi Bird is cool. It has like little feet. It's like a little ball. Okay, this is good. Right there. Oh, perfect. It clamped. Yes. Please stay. Happi Bird. Nice. Got the Happi Bird. Yes. Wanted you really bad. Maybe I should go for the skull. Ooh, there's Roadrunner in there. I'm gonna keep going for the neon Happi Bird. YOLO, right? Remember I go to the claw machine to say YOLO and you spend like 50 bucks. If I can knock that football head guy over, I might be able to get him. But I'm not gonna go for him if he's like that position. It'd just be a waste of a try. Oh, come on. No. Not even close. I wonder if I can shake. Shake the groove, bang, shake the groove, bang, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna do something. I want to see if I can get this skull. I was hoping it would like get in there, but it doesn't look like it. Oh yes! Nice! Dang, I got that skull. That was awesome. I didn't think it'd actually do that. It gave it a push of niceness. Let's go for the football head. See maybe if I can knock him over. Oh, it got him his body. I might have him. Come on, yes. Now it's gonna drop it. Alright. Hopefully it spins the right way. Perfect. Come on, get that clamp on it. Ugh. I might have to go for his body, but it's not. I'll go for his head one more time. See if I can hook his head. Actually, yeah, I'll just go for his head. Come on. Yeah, I'm going for his body. Let's spin one more. Okay. Perfect. Come on, grab the body. Oh, it's gonna slip. Yeah. That's what I thought. I hope it's gettable still. I don't know if I can grab it by the head. if it'll let me. I knew if I grab the body it might slip. Maybe. Darn it. Come on, stupid football head. Here. There we go. Perfect. That's what I have. Yes. Are you serious? Look how much he's rolled. I should have had him. Okay, let's go for his body. Just like tip him in or something. That's my plan here. There we go. Oh my gosh, 2 in 1. Holy moly. 2 in 1. That was awesome. I thought I was gonna get Flintstone guy too. Holy crap. Dang.
No, I actually came for that.
Alright, well, that's it. An awesome 2 in 1. I didn't see coming. So that was pretty cool. I almost got him. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe, and add it to your favorites down below. And share it with your friends. And see you next time.